Switching POS systems doesn't need to be hard. With Worldpay 360, getting set up is fast and built around how you already work. Printed or handwritten menus can be turned into products automatically. Simply upload your file and let AI-powered Magic Menu build your products in minutes. Quickly review, make any changes, and you're ready to go live. If your products currently live in a spreadsheet, simply upload your file to our portal and let Worldpay 360 do the heavy lifting. Prefer to add products manually? That's just as easy. Create, edit, or update products whenever you need. And the experience is the same across all our devices. You can even manage products directly on the POS without needing to log in to the online portal. Any changes sync instantly, so every device stays up to date. For items with multiple options, product variants, you can keep everything organized, making checkout faster and simpler for staff and customers. Worldpay 360. Switch faster, manage easily, and sell with confidence.